Hello everyone. In this video, we will see about Graham's law of diffusion. At the end of this video, you will be able to solve all the questions regarding this topic. Graham's law of diffusion deals with rate of diffusion. What is diffusion? Movement of gases from high pressure region to low pressure region is called diffusion. Rate of diffusion. Rate of diffusion is denoted by small r. Small r is equal to PA divided by root MT. Here P denotes pressure, A denotes area of diffusion, M denotes molecular weight of the gas, T denotes temperature, Vd denotes vapor density. At constant temperature, pressure and area, rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to root m. We know that molecular weight is equal to 2 into vapor density. That is, molecular weight is directly proportional to vapor density. Therefore, rate of diffusion small r is inversely proportional to root Vd. Rate of diffusion is also defined as volume of the gas diffused divided by time, which is equal to number of moles of gas diffused divided by time, which is equal to distance travelled by the gas divided by time. To compare two gases, we can use this formula. R1 divided by R2 is equal to V1 by T1 divided by V2 by T2, which is equal to N1 by T1 divided by N2 by T2, which is equal to D1 by T1 divided by D2 by T2, which is equal to root M2 divided by M1, which is equal to root Vd2 divided by Vd1. Let us solve some questions. Question number 1. An unknown gas diffuses at a rate of 0.5 times that of nitrogen at same temperature and pressure. Calculate the molecular weight of the unknown gas. In the question, rate of diffusion is given and molecular weight of one gas is given, and they are asking us to find the molecular weight of the second gas. So, this term and this term is given. So, we are using this formula. What formula? R1 by R2 is equal to root M2 divided by M1. Rx divided by Rn2, which is equal to molecular weight of X divided by molecular weight of N2 divided by molecular weight of X. Therefore, Rx divided by Rn2 is equal to root molecular weight of N2 divided by molecular weight of X. What is Rx? 0.5 R. 0.5 R divided by what is Rn2? It is R, which is equal to root. What is the molecular weight of N2? It is 28 grams. 28. We have to find the molecular weight of the X gas. X. Now we have to square on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. This R gets cancelled. So 0.5 into 0.5 is equal to 28 divided by molecular weight of X. We need the molecular weight of X. Take this value to the left hand side. Molecular weight of X is equal to 28 into 100 divided by 25. 1s are and 4s are, which is equal to 112 grams. Therefore, the molecular weight of the unknown gas X is 112 grams. Second question. 32 ml helium diffuses in 1 minute. What volume of methane will diffuse in 1 minute under similar conditions? In the question, volume of helium is equal to 32 ml and it takes 1 minute. We need to find the volume of methane, and methane also takes 1 minute. Let us find the molecular weight of methane. Methane, CH4, it has 1 carbon atom, and the atomic mass of 1 carbon atom is 12 grams. And it has 4 hydrogen atoms, and the atomic mass of 1 hydrogen atom is 1 gram. Therefore, for 4 hydrogen atom, 4 gram. 4 plus 12, it gives 16 gram. This is the molecular weight of methane. Molecular weight of helium is 4 grams. So, we found the molecular weights and the volume term is given in the question. So, we are using these two relations. V1 divided by T1 by V2 divided by T2 is equal to root M2 divided by M1. Here, volume of helium divided by time taken by helium by volume of methane divided by time taken by methane, which is equal to molecular weight of methane divided by molecular weight of helium. So, helium takes 1 minute and the volume of helium is 32 ml. 32 divided by 1 minute, and volume of methane, we need to find this value, so I am taking the value as x divided by time taken by methane is also 1 minute. This 1 minute gets cancelled, which is equal to root. What is the molecular weight of methane? 16 gram divided by, what is the molecular weight of helium, which is equal to 4 grams. So 4 ones are 4s are. What is root 4? 2. 2, 32 divided by x. Therefore, x is equal to 16. Therefore, volume of methane is 16 ml. Third question. Find the ratio of rate of diffusion of helium and O2 under similar conditions. Molecular weight of helium is 4 grams. Molecular weight of O2. In O2, there are 2 oxygen atoms. The atomic mass of one oxygen atom is 16 gram. So 2 into 16 will give 32 grams. 32 grams is the molecular weight of O2. So we know the molecular weights. They are asking us to find the ratio of the rate of diffusion. So we are using these two relations. R1 by R2 is equal to root M2 by M1. R1 by R2 is equal to root M2 by M1. Here, rate of diffusion of helium divided by rate of diffusion of oxygen is equal to molecular weight of oxygen divided by molecular weight of helium. What is the molecular weight of oxygen? It is 32. What is the molecular weight of helium? It is 4 gram. So 4 1s are and 8s are. So root 8 divided by 1. Therefore, the ratio is root 8 is to 1. Question number 4. Find the ratio of rate of diffusion of methane and helium under similar condition. Try this question and comment your answers in the comment section. I will give the answers in the description box. I have 2 requests for you. First of all, if you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so because making such video requires a lot of time and effort, and subscribing by just 2 seconds makes up for all. Request 2 is share this video to your friends.